Hey there, party enthusiasts. I'm your host, Ezzadine, and today we're diving into the world of music and sound with a bang. We've got a real treat for you, the JBL Charge 2 Plus Portable Wireless Speaker. Welcome back to Rick Media, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest tech reviews. If you're all about powerful sound, portability, and endless entertainment, you've come to the right place. So, without further ado, let's get the party started. As always, you will find the links to the product and other recommended picks in the description below. Now, let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. Here's the sleek packaging that greets you when you first lay your hands on the JBL Charge 2 Plus. The anticipation is real, my friends. Opening it up reveals the stylish speaker itself, a charging cable, and some user documentation. First impressions matter, and this speaker certainly nails it with its sturdy build and eye-catching design. But remember, appearances can be deceiving, it's what's inside that truly counts. Alright, let's delve into the tech side of things. Connecting your devices to the Charge 2 Plus is a breeze. It supports Bluetooth, so all you need to do is pair and play. But that's not all. You can also use it as a speakerphone for hands-free calls. It's like having a personal assistant right there with you. Plus, the battery life is seriously impressive, giving you hours upon hours of uninterrupted music playback. Now that's what I call music that never stops. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the sound quality. The JBL Charge 2 Plus packs a serious punch when it comes to delivering crisp, clear audio. Whether you're grooving to your favorite tunes or watching a movie, the dual drivers and built-in bass radiator ensure that you feel every beat. It's like having your very own concert right in the palm of your hand. The rich bass and balanced highs will blow you away. One of the standout features of the Charge 2 Plus is its portability. Say goodbye to those days when you had to compromise on sound quality just because you were on the move. With its compact size and built-in rechargeable battery, you can take the party wherever you go. And guess what? You don't need to worry about water splashes either, thanks to its splash-proof design. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to wrap up this party of a review. The JBL Charge 2 Plus portable wireless speaker truly lives up to its name, offering powerful sound, incredible portability, and a range of features that make it a must-have for music lovers on the go. Whether you're having a solo dance-off in your room or hosting a backyard barbecue, this speaker has got your back. You can get it from the links in the description below. So, if you want to elevate your music experience to a whole new level, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and more. This is Ezzadine from RIC Media. Until next time, stay tuned and see you around. Peace.